Hello guys, good morning. There is an update I need to give you on this business. Don't cast it though. You definitely cannot sleep on solar pumping. This is a hack to this business. No sleep on that update though. It's a very sharp one. No sleep on now. Make I let you know what today happened this morning. Can you see this water pumping? This is solar. And can you just see how the weather is? It's not like the sun is much. In fact, sun is not out yet, and it is pumping. That is, I've not been wasting money on electricity or wasting money on fuel. This is an update you cannot cast. See, I'm changing the water of this particular pond this morning. All is on solar. All is on solar. Generator is not on. I'm not using electricity. All is on solar. You cannot sleep on this update. The reason is because I think on an average I spend about 50k in a week for electricity recharge alone. 50k in a week for electricity recharge alone, because my location is under band A and it's very expensive right now to recharge electricity. So I decided to do solar pumping, and it is super amazing. Mind you, this does not have inverter. So it's a very sharp update. This doesn't have inverter, just solar pump and solar panel. Very cheap, and you enjoy your business. Let me show you other ponds where I'm changing water. In fact, this is my nursery. You know I'm big into hatching, right? Into production. This is my nursery. Can you see? I'm changing the water of 4 different ponds right now. 4 different ponds right now. Then let me show you the connection, what it is like right now. Let me show you how I did the connection, because the way it is, I have the solar pump. At the same time, I still have the electrical one, right? So if, let's say, I want to use NEPA, let's say at night my solar will go down, then I wait till the next day, right? So if, let's say, during the night I need to use electricity to pump, it is still very much available. I can still use electricity to pump during the night time. So the 2 connections are still, in fact, I can pump with the 2 of them if I want to. Let's say I need much water to do a lot of things, I can decide to use the both electrical and solar to pump at the same time. So let me show you right now. You can see a temporal connection I did. In fact, I did this plumbing work myself. To let you know that as a fish farmer, you're going to be a lot of things in construction. You can see my temporal construction. So this is the pipe carrying the solar pump, and it goes straight to the top there, right? This is carrying the solar. Then it is connected to the outlet around here. This supplies my nursery directly, but this does not supply my hatchery. My hatchery is basically on this tank, and this is the pipe supplying the hatchery. This one is connected down here, and this supplies the nursery and the grow out directly, the nursery and grow out. And also, if I want to pump into the tank from this particular one, which is the solar, I will just off everything right now in the nursery and the grow out. If I off everything, then this water will start going up. Or I can decide to put a ball gauge, which is control valve around here, and whenever I lock it, it will stop going to the nursery and going straight here. But right now I need to change that one because there's still water here for the hatchery in the tank. So right now it is directly going into my nursery session right now, my nursery and my grow out. So I can afford to run a steady flow through for even my grow out, because right now I have a lot of water at a very cost efficient rate, because I'm not using electricity, I'm not using generator. Just the day sunlight is doing the work for me. It's doing the work for me. Guys, don't sleep on this update. That sharp one, no. Don't sleep on this update. Solar pumping machine is the hack, the new hack to this business. Because the way things are going in Nigeria, if you want to rely on electricity to pump or fuel, these people, they go off your light. They will off your street light. I can't lie for you about that one. Make sure you're not sleeping on this update. Save a lot of money installing solar pumping. Remain profitable in business.